his foot's free. Give it. Oh, that's a toenail. Whoa! What? You rascal, you!
Oh no, his head, he flapped around on his head stuck.
You had
Move your hand for a second.
Why you won't take pictures of me? Well, you mean let him stick there?
No. Oh.
Well, buddy, I hate to get that in his eye.
Oh, I think his eye's down there?
No, I don't think it's... Well, maybe I can get some over here. You got your foot back in there, poor thing. I almost had you. You had to.
He's like, help. Should we wash him off or release him?
I don't know. Yay! And he's free!